Today, we're exploring Google Slides, a versatile presentation tool that's widely used for creating, editing, and sharing slideshows. Whether you're a student, educator, business professional, or creative individual, Google Slides offers a range of features to bring your ideas to life. Join us as we delve into its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Let's take a look at Google Slides' main features. Collaborative editing. Google Slides allows multiple users to work on the same presentation simultaneously, fostering seamless collaboration among team members. Rich media integration. With support for images, videos, charts, and diagrams, Google Slides enables users to create visually engaging presentations. Access anywhere, anytime. As a cloud-based platform, Google Slides lets users access their presentations from any device with an internet connection, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Customizable templates. The platform offers a variety of pre-designed templates to jumpstart your presentation creation process, saving you time and effort. Real-time feedback. Users can leave comments and suggestions directly on slides, facilitating constructive feedback and enhancing collaboration. Integration with the Google Workspace. Google Slides seamlessly integrates with other Google Workspace apps, such as Google Docs and Google Sheets, for a cohesive productivity experience. Google Slides is part of Google Workspace, which offers various pricing plans starting from $6 per user per month for the Business Starter plan, $12 per month for the Business Standard plan, and $18 per month for the Business Plus plan. You can also access all of these tools, including Google Slides, for absolutely free with some limited features. One of the big differences between the free version and the paid plans is the different features and storage options. Google Slides offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive tools and features, making it easy for users of all skill levels to create professional-looking presentations. Its real-time collaboration capabilities enhance productivity and teamwork, while its seamless integration with other Google Workspace apps ensures a smooth user experience. Google Slides offers robust collaboration features, access to rich media content, and seamless integration with Google Workspace. Its cloud-based nature ensures easy accessibility and real-time syncing of presentations. But while Google Slides is a powerful tool, some users may find its offline functionality limited compared to other desktop-based presentation software. Additionally, advanced design capabilities may be lacking for users with complex design requirements. Alternative presentation tools to consider include Microsoft PowerPoint, Apple Keynote, and Prezi. Each platform offers unique features and capabilities, allowing users to choose the solution that best fits their needs. In summary, Google Slides is a versatile and user-friendly presentation tool that empowers users to create impactful presentations with ease. With its collaborative features, customizable templates, and seamless integration with Google Workspace, it's a valuable asset for individuals and organizations alike. Sign up for Google Workspace through the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful software reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.